Hi, I've got another Celtic card for you here today using the Caitlin die. And it's lovely how you can make different patterns with these dies. They are really versatile like that. So I'll show you what we'll be using. Here it is, the Caitlin die, and this is from our Celtic collection. I'm going to also do a bit of embossing with the rope chain embossing folder. This is an 8x8 folder. And I'm just going to use the smaller ones in here from the double stitch squares to create a little base for my sentiment. And I'm going to start with a piece of coconut white card, and it is 6 inches square. And I'm going to use the rope chain embossing folder. Let's find the opening there. Pop that in. Just sort of line it up. Since you've got something that's got a little bit of a row to it, you want to make sure you're nice and even there. This will give a lovely texture to our background, so you can see how nice that looks. Pop that over. Isn't that great? Just really like that. I'm going to put that onto a black base. So I'm going to bring in some double-sided tape. And our colors on this are basically black, white, and we've got some metallic silver in there. There we go. So that's on good. So now I've got 2 of the Caitlins that I've cut in black, and they aren't matted with any other color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim the top part of these off, just even, right about. Let's see. I want to go in further there, just about like that. There we go. And I'm going to just tidy that up a little bit, and same on this side. Okay, tidy that up a little bit. And I'm going to do the same thing to this one over here. Just take a little bit off. Just making it a little bit thinner. I'm going to use it in the corners. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm going to use some spray glue on the back of both of these. And put that on there. And a little bit of glue just to make sure we're going to stick really well. That should do the trick. Just need a tiny bit here. There we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop them in opposite corners, just about like this, just catching the edge. And we're going to trim away the extra bit. So I'm going to give that a second to set up. Let me get rid of those little pieces. And about like that. Looks about right. Okay. And then we're going to just trim this off even with our mat. Just a nice little way to add a tiny bit extra decoration in the corner. There we go. Okay, so I've got that. Let's tidy those up. I'm going to bring in my backing, and I've got the white paper piercing with the black mat and a silver mat on there as well. Put that into place. Let's go like that. There we go. So that will be the base for our card. So now I've got 4 more of the Caitlins that I've done with the black topper and then a silver backing on them. So what I want to do is I'm just going to attach these and create like a single focal element. So we're going to put a little bit of glue on these corners on a couple of them and just sort of offset them. I think this should work, and then we'll add some foam to them. So I'm going to pop that on, just line that up just about like that. Give that a second. There we go. And put that one on there. Give that one a second. We'll put this one on top. And create a larger focal element there. Just give that a second to set up. I'm going to turn it upside down, and I'm going to bring in some mounting foam. A couple pieces there. Pop those on. Let's go that way. And, oh, that's just a tiny bit too big. There we go. And this one's going to be a little big. Trim a little bit off of that one too. There we go. Okay. So now I can bring that back into my base piece, peel off my backing on my mounting foam. I'm going to seat that, right in the middle, apologize, put that onto my base. So I've created a smaller square, and I'll just give you a quick measurement before I put that on. That is 5 inches square. Pop that right in the middle, just center it. And it's got a bit of mounting foam, and we are going to pop that into the middle of our background. So it's going to just be sort of layered upward. So you'll see a little bit of the background coming through. There we go. Tidy that up. There we go. Now the center, I've cut just the double stitched square. I'm going to use it sort of on a diamond orientation here. Put that right in the middle. There we go, some mounting foam. And I'm going to bring in my shadowed sentiment. I really like these. I think they're absolutely lovely. So I've done the white shadow base, and I've used the black wording on these. So I'm going to put that right in the top. There we go. Give that a second. And the same with the word you here. And because you have that shadow, you've got a little more room that you can use on your back for glue or for mounting foam or whatever you like. And pump that right in there. And a couple of pearls in the corner, and you have a beautiful Celtic card. I think this works for just about any occasion too. You could use it for a birthday card, get well, sympathy, anything. I just love the way this looks. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it, and we will send you an email that shows when new videos have been loaded onto the system.